Everybody. Somebody sat down, Papa Penina or Ma, and it's in one food journey. I'll see one man a boost of one in pay.
I was from Mamma Makwaba at the Bagana and Sam TV. So, but I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time, videos of this nature, about also submit my cabin. Also, watch your comment section. Maybe we are from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. By we are from Mr. President and Major also. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we time nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Mommy enko is here.
Everybody. Somebody sat down, Papa Penina or Ma. And it's in one food journey. I'll see one man a boost of one in pay. Or you leader of Obifie. No, Kwame to dinner attempt say, or Jimmy Kaka, or Nasa Kaka, why Kaka, everybody sitting down and they are laughing. What is funny about it?
But not something I was laughing.
You
relax.
Olana Mika say, no, there is I guess that we are bantering. We can banter. We can banter and talk about, hey, they're okay, and I don't agree with you. But now Jane was from Sebi, which, where Jimmy Kaka. How do you say that? How? And I want to say, only allow him, Debbie Mikasa, so I same see our own. Backing vocalist for no word, you know. Amuna, they either make you do it more or they will stop you. So, was starting to be, Kwame, Kwame, wait, yeah, my cry, yeah, my but say no be asering Olawso ade una oye peace una the peace sign by and now you Martin Luther King una ba peace fighter we say but Mali kra wu la but Mali kra wu hey ade
what would you had wanted
you to do? No, you like me you look at the hostess, you are laughing, you are massaging it. Next time you don't tell me to tell somebody to apologize to somebody when I'm wrong, because you can't do it on this platform. And also, when somebody is insulting you, you look at them in dead and they say, "Brah, I know one way yahu." Yeah, na bet me ya who be o. It's because maybe some of us decide to have that and I say, we see Bible see your din now crying. So nya din na e fata ye. Atem DJ de ola, sabi o ma mitru blue black. Why not minka? O ma mitru rainbow colors. Why not minka? I don't know why not minka. Ola de bi o me pese me cha say.
Honorable Atoforsin release sika e fan communities bi mu because of ebia presidential ambition bi esi na ni so no. Then I don't know what you are saying and I don't know what you are talking about. And you think President Mahama will allow it? Let's assume by not admitting. Because Agric ministry now says so somebody see what somebody to kuru mu omo discuss and I can free finance ministry and call Agric ministry no be ba try nkete enkoko nkete project no e one policy a enya President Mahama policy now winning there is a video I'm a person me bomb me boss a video ni ma we are it will confirm asema me ba be ka no that honorable Dr. Eriko Poku any honorable Atoforsin me pacho bibia ni omuntem don't create any oya wo hunya asem ketwa and honorable Atoforsin entra na ministry no ankasa me wa presidential ambition for that matter sika was here de kono me fa nkom ye fa nye na the president no appointed no to me be no ekura. So you see some flag bearership race na abiba mu na mudi create what tiny to nkrofo ne nkrofo ntam no samanya ya ho ebedo 2028 na akasa na mokwa akoton candidate amumma yi no samode ne kwa akoto aba no na ya sansam na mokeka fa mo nkrofo na ho na 38.2 fo ne be yusu e dey campaign because esi ya amumuti we eniema Canada Japan ka fa ba omi aho mo be yusu dey campaign na mboa Eniama Brachampo, Eka Fak, Dr. Baumiahu, Mube, you should a campaign. Dr. Baumiana, Eniamo Kekaya went to me, Anya, economy, our buy our Jugu for boy. Yes, I say, economist and G3t. Mode by your campaign. It's a more Yamia Madromana, President John Dramani Mahama. On Kobiano, Sankabeya Mua, and can support to be a was the Dema President Mahama more succeed in another bay. Because I know that a Trump card they got 2028. Now, my chance here will 1 Casamo at a forcing this, and you could put that. And you are saying, get this, one this, one that. Nina flag brothers.
What do you want for? One farm assembly, one farm sanitation bill. Anyawa, sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for one fan yeshi. Now, about Jeffy sanitation for now, what do you know? Anyawa. Sako shena sako shit you show tension baby shit. Hey, who ya do? Unkwa who buy a jashishi. Hey, Mr. Pat. Unya buy professor intro. Hey, so what's a pat? Saga wide. Who is a pat na nebe ye bibiamo? Into two and one for omunye jumano. Who do be monk of fufro? One farm assembly. One farm sanitation bill. Anyawa. Sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for one fan yeshi. Now about Jeffy sanitation for now what do you know? And yawa, sako shena sako shit you show tension baby shit. Hey, who ya do? Unkwa who buy a jashishi. Hey, Mr. Pat. Unya buy professor intro. Hey, so what's a pat? Saga wide. Who is a pat na nebe ye bibiamo? Into two course no work is in me. Which rebiangasa? So was I got all Lumia baby. Na na the train na okoto yem. Need the okwafa bae. The same thing. Was I got all Lumia, was I got talk fruban. As I about Chrome have you. I didn't know what it was. Uno why na challenge. Train na masa kotono. Minister of Highways and then. Your friend say train and one mokoto abano. Train there someone to channel Lumia as soon as possible. No one ton. Move now then there sema. Is it that it's incompetency or what? What's flighting? What's flighting? Muna why you say? Unkuwa ubaye. Seko
Say go more for Tweaa bama. Na ubabe ye MP. Na ubabe di go more for so. Wona wutime babontin be criticize nia. Government bi aye. A wunim say nia government ya ye. A benefit your mind much more than all government na who praising no. Oponi here chipo. Oponi here chiu. Wo Captain Smart na si wunya MP a wo bedi. E de na wo MP mu. Se nye sika na wo ba be pa. Wo de pa na obetumi a contribute dia ma man Ghana. Then Captain Smart, obetumi a contribute ediama go mu afo. Obi onutimi babontin beka say MPP better na so anye hwe. Obi a onu wa babontin antime me president MPP say MPP ba amambuami odin hihye bi odin nyoma bi say na odi gu akwamu mane bo man Ghana. Wonim papa so wakata wani. Kambone no. Okrauti unye MP obedi na napo. Napo category. Eno category. Yepe. Insu atona. Aso obi a wo so pese wo ye MP. Obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho. Insu atona yiri nkofo na. Aso obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho be gina wo platform so. Akatina President John Dramani Mahama say nsu ato. Enti ye ye bibi fa ho no. Wu gina
abusia ne obo kwasia pa mbre sen ne wotie no. NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no wontwa ntronya propaganda on kansem hunu wondi atem no. Omo mbre sen Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no niminyansa bi. Na o ka no kora enu nti womutie no. Omo bre Ghana for na omutie Captain Smart no. Omo no omo bread. Now you see, about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman. Tiense munu ne nkwasiasema Captain Smart Kwatena TV so e kan hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya ansem nkyere no
de to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo
je ne da no simu de bia ye kan ho asem oman we je se yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders a ke bi aka the new patriotic party the leaders of the party ke bi aka borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, the active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say in because the agenda na person here number of hospitals in person is intimate because of time, but those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan say saying na no me nyina be ya. This kind of can't was I Butuu me say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort to my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, and most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, me on funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Moki Kaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Cannon to me and Cono. I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a chief imam for the common to the queen in a politicians need come on to the queen now. Market women on common to the queen now. Oh, be anchored and into the queen now. 2020 then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow no the credit scoring system, but I must open conquering get it. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a getting ye invest getting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And yes, same cranny. Obi ma credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open getting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you're telling you papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Regr3t drama ni ma so o mema was come to Butuu. Ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e de Regr3t drama ni mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de nye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne be to ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government it me
Say dear ko ye kwade e menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about Council of State member Butuu region. Na me say films Remona Chapa ya happiness say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1. Which is never true.
Onya juma order. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a Nam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post. Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.